So, fantastic course. Zach took us through step by step how to set up all the indicators, what indicators to look for, when to get in, when to get out, and basically how to use the system. Really looking forward to starting it all on Monday.
Hi, I've just finished Zach's course and it was excellent because obviously you see these courses, you never quite know what you're coming on, and this one it was easy to understand. The strategy is much simpler than I thought, and the thing that came across for me was Zach's enthusiasm and his willingness to support me over the next 6 months to make sure that I'm doing it right and that I'm getting the benefit of it. So thanks very much, Zach, it's brilliant.
So I just finished the iTrading workshop with Zach. I thought it was really well presented. Everything was easy to follow. The setup's great. I would definitely recommend it, worth every penny. And really excited now to start trading and see where we can go with the support from Zach. Thank you.